Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to a great Wednesday here at Perry Elementary. Today is Wednesday, February 26th of 2020, and here are our morning announcements for today. Thank you for all the staff that went out to help out with McTeacher Night last night and made it a successful event. Thank you, Mrs. Haight, for making sure that this event went out without a hitch and planning all the dates for it and all the contacts. It is very much appreciated. And thank you very much for all the students who attended our McTeacher Night last night. It was great to see you there. For our February birthdays to announce, today we have one birthday to announce, so happy birthday goes to Sophia Hare. Happy birthday to you, Sophia. Hope you have a great day today. And our lunch choices for today would be beef and cheese nachos, Bosco breadsticks, or fun on the run. And today our paws are brought to you by kindergarten students in Mrs. Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class. All right, boys and girls, today we thought we'd talk about making sure we dress appropriately to go outside, especially since it is winter. We want to make sure we wear the right things yet.
Use no pants when you're going in the snow. Wear a coat. You don't have to
Good advice. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for that advice, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for a Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. Everyone have a great day today and have a wonderful Wednesday.